Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamer's Crafty Corner. And today I want to address a matter of crafter importance. So let me begin. There's a problem in the crafting community. And it's a big problem. It's a horrible problem, and most of us have it. Washi tape. Washi tape. Whether your washi tape is in a cardboard box, a plastic case, a shoebox, hanging from a string, it's a problem. It's a problem that many crafters have. Mostly, our problem is something like this. Where's that one I want? I know it's here. I've seen it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Remember that problem? No more. I have fixed this problem. Well, I didn't fix it. Somebody else did, unintentionally. We have all seen this device. This is a swivel store. This is like one of those as seen on TV products. And, you know, it slides out and then it turns like this so that you can put this into a cabinet and you'll be able to see all the spices. So I was on a scavenger yesterday and I saw this in the store and I had an epiphany. I said to myself, because that's what I say to myself when I'm talking to myself. I said, you know, these little slots look just about the right size to hold some washi tape. So I picked this up at my local thrift store for about $3. I see them all the time. And it cost me about $3. Now, a couple of the nice features are it has these rubber feet. So when you put it on something, it doesn't slide around. Well, my board slides, but this doesn't slide around so easy. And they aren't very wide. So this is like, where's that ruler? That stinking ruler. Here it is. So this little sucker's only 4 inches wide. 4 inches. So you could get 3 of these in a 1-foot space on a shelf. That's pretty cool. So what can we do with it? Well, let me show you. So I brought this thing home. Okay. And I'm going to just, well, here. Let's take this problem. There we go. Now, I get it. You may not have this much washi tape. I do. So let's take a look. So the washi tape actually fits in here. Even these like big ones like this that you get from the Dollar Tree that were kind of thick, they fit in here too. See, that's a Dollar Tree one. That fits in there just fine. So I said to myself, well, how many rolls do you think you could get in here? This is a really wide roll, and it fits. So I said to myself, how many rolls do you think you could get in here? I said, I don't know, but I'm going to find out. So I brought it home. Then I basically started pulling all my washi tapes, eliminating all the ones I had duplicates of, and just putting single ones in. I pulled out all the holiday stuff. That doesn't need to be in here. And I just started putting them in. Okay, now, these are the Tim Holtz ones. They fit right in there. See, that's another Tim Holtz. Fits right in there, no problem. Let's see. Now this cupcake one here, that's from Michael's. Let me turn this little thing around and give it another tip. Just start fitting these in. Now look at how wide this one is. Fits right in. Okay. So I started putting them in. And I was like, well, how many do you think this thing will take? A lot more than I thought. Put those in there. Those in there. These. This is one of those wide ones. That's in there. That in there. These in there. And then I kind of took a good look at it. I said, okay, well, we could move a few around. And, get that one in. And we can move that one. And put this one in up here. Okay, so when I was all said and done, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So if we did that twice, that's 68 rolls of washi tape. I figure approximately 60 rolls of washing tape will fit in here. And if I want to see my washi, all I have to do is pull this out and flip it around, and there's all my washi tape. Just like that. I thought it was kind of a cool epiphany. So I'm going to find a few more of these at my local thrift store. And I'm going to go ahead and start utilizing them on top of my filing cabinet over there. I figure if I put 3 of these side by side up there, I should be able to put all of my washi tape up. And what I want to do is I want to label them. So what I figured is on the side here, you see it's kind of split. Hey, probably shouldn't have turned it over when I had washi in there. So you see how it's kind of split like this? I figured I could take a pen and a label, and I may have to cut the label in half. Excuse me. I may have to cut my label in half, but I'm cool with that. And I could put my labels on, just like this, one on each side. And let's say up here, I'm going to put Christmas. And next to that, I'm going to put Halloween. And then maybe on the bottom, I'm going to put Valentine's Day and I don't know, maybe all my Harry Potter washi. Maybe I'm going to put blue washi. Maybe I have 2 rows of, I have like the full thing is blue. Maybe this whole rack is blue. But I can write on what's in each one of them so that as I look at the side of this with all my washi tape, I can say, oh, I want black washi and know exactly which one of these to pull out. Cool, huh? So that's all my washi tapes in my little container here that I figured out. I think it's a pretty good idea for storing. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. So this is my idea. It was my epiphany. So, you guys know what to do. If you haven't already, hit that red button and subscribe. Like me. Share me with all your friends. I'm doing weird stuff with as seen on TV kitchen stuff. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.